Everyone, today we are going to discuss enthalpy of chemical reaction, that is heat of reaction. Now during the course of reaction, heat may get absorbed or may get released depending upon the type of reaction. Now the amount of heat absorbed or released at constant temperature and pressure during a course of reaction is said to be enthalpy of that chemical reaction, or simply one can say the heat of reaction. Now consider hypothetical reaction AA plus BB gives CC plus DD. This is supposed to be a chemical reaction. Now again consider, let HA, HB, HC and HD are enthalpies of A, B, C and D respectively. Now heat of reaction or enthalpy of reaction can be, change in the enthalpy, change of enthalpy of reaction can be given as, now the total enthalpy of product minus total enthalpy of reactant gives the enthalpy change of the reaction. Now say delta H as the enthalpy change of reaction, then it can be given as, now C enthalpy of C plus D into enthalpy of D. This gives total enthalpy of product. Now minus total enthalpy of reactant, which can be given as A HA plus B HB. Now this is the total enthalpy of reactant. If at all enthalpy of product minus enthalpy of reactant gives the enthalpy change of the reaction, then this can be simply summarized as delta S, that is heat of reaction, change in enthalpy, what we call gives total enthalpy of product minus the total enthalpy of reactant. This gives the enthalpy change of reaction. Thank you very much.